Alright. That's how we make a firecracker. It's your empty tube here. It's a crushed up kitty litter, ground to a nice fine powder. You always make sure you use wooden tools, no metal tools, no sparks. Remember, boys and girls, I am not responsible for anyone that does anything that you see me doing. If you choose to do this, and you don't fully understand it, it will blow you up. So once again, don't do this at home. We now have it packed. Okay, step 2 now. Got to put some little powder in there. Aluminum, dark aluminum potassium chlorate. So we'll go on here for a pause for a minute. Okay, back to it now. Got my aluminum powder in my little container. Use a funnel because it gets messy. You should probably wear gloves, but that's totally up to you. Filter it down in there. As you can see, it comes out. It gets all over the place. That's why I'm using paper, so I can capture my powder and not waste my product. I'm going to tamp it down a little. Let it get in there. Push it down nice and easy. Smack it. Gentle press it. Don't want a lot of friction. Nice and easy does it. I'm just going to repeat this process until we fill this powder up to the top. It takes about 3 times. Usually about 2 grams of powder. Well, goes there. One more time on to do it. And we'll put the cap on it and plug. The fuse. More powder in there. Final pack. It's good and tight now. Got a piece of cannon fuse here. Just going to stick it in there. We're going to get our clay again. Drizzle some clay down in that hole. Then I'm just going to take my rod here. We'll pack it gently. Press it down. Too hard. And repeat until you get a nice plug on the end of it. Do it one more time there. And there it is. I always like to finish mine off with a little bit of coarse kitty litter. It's natural clay kitty litter. It's real coarse. It's not been crushed up. It fills up the little voids and stuff really well. Makes a nice solid top. And I'll give that one more final little push. And there we go. Now it's ready to go. Let's check it out. Remember, boys and girls, this stuff is very dangerous. You can and seriously harm yourself or kill yourself. Always be careful. And that's how it's done.